guys, today we will try the Turkish food in Hong Kong. So, ano guys, ito-try lang namin siya kung ano-ano, kung masarap ba siya. So, yeah, we'll try this. So, ayun. So, we order one pizza. We order pizza and chicken and ang init sobra. And what else? The ice Turkish tea. Yeah. So let's see if it's yummy or not. So ayun guys, hintayin lang natin ang order namin. So I'm with my friend Taran. So she also have the channel account. She also have the YouTube account. So just search her YouTube channel, guys. It's MD Nalin MD. Nalin DM. So pinalitan na niya kasi dati MD siya mga ka-Inday. So ngayon she changed it already kasi nga mukha daw siyang doktora pag MD. So ayun, that's guys. So that's our outfit for today. So I just wore up the t-shirts, shorts, and of course the shoes. Guys, hintayin lang natin yung order namin. And we're going to eat. So, yun. Just wait for our order. So, ano guys, tawag dito. I've been seeing this for a few months already. So, I really wanted to try this here. But since I don't have anyone with me, so hindi ko talaga siya na-try. So, yan guys. Hihintayin lang namin ang aming order. And that was 12. So, we ordered the chicken supreme pizza. So, we will try it. And we're just two people to eat it. And we're supposed to eat the biryani, rice biryani. But I don't think if I will like it. So, I don't want to try to. Baka magsayang lang kami ng pera ko. Pero sabi natin na masarap daw siya, but I don't know. Hindi ko pa siya na-try kasi. Yan ang namimiss ko. Yan ang isang namimiss ko. Chicken biryani. So, yan guys. Let's just wait for our order. Parang ang pretty ko naman dito. Yeah. So,
hindi ka pa nagpunta sa ano?
Taran, cherry blossom, hindi pa. So, yan guys. This is the menu. Yeah, taran, our chicken. I'm doing the vlog. So, he's the owner of the restaurant. Say hello.
Please come here.
Yeah, this in the Samshipo exit C2. So, guys, you just come here. I will try their menu. Let's see the pizza. So, yeah guys, we talk with the owner. So they have the chicken biryani and the lamb biryani. So yung mga nakakamiss dyan ng biryani rice, pwede po kayong pumunta dito sa exit C2. So nandito lang sila sa right side. So this is our chicken leg. Then they asked us if the right leg or the left leg. So, yeah. So, this guys, that if you miss to eat the biryani rice, so just come here. And they have a lot of menu as well. So, pwede kayong itagot na namin itong pangbayad na. So, pwede kayong pumunta sa they have the pizza. 12-inch na siya, guys. So, it's 8 pieces na siya. So, uubusin namin siya. 8. So, tig-apat kami. So, let's see who will win. Kung sino yung matatalo, guys, siya yung magbabayad.
Yung Yun ang pinakamadami siyang magbabayad.
So, siyempre, alam nyo naman kung gaano ko kalakas kumain. So, for sure, libre to ngayon.
Dalawa lang nakakain ko dyan.
So, ayun guys. So, meron silang chicken doner roll. Seems like the shawarma sa atin. So, meron sila niyan. And lamb, beef, chicken. So, mamimili lang kayo which one you want to put or you want to. Seems like really shawarma siya mga kainan. Yun. And then, they have the different kind of sweets. So, may baklava. No, hindi siya bakla. So, baklava. I never tried this one. Baklava. You should try this. What is baklava? What is baklava?
Baklava is sweet. It's sweet. It has pistachio inside. Pistachio.
Oh, it's a sweet. I don't know. So,
Next time, we'll come back.
so I will try this guys today. Let's see. And they have all the shawarma over here. So you can try it. So kung yung mga pumupunta dito sa Hong Kong or sa Samshipo, they're located at Samshipo mga kainday. So let's see. May mga ano sila. So this is the New Istanbul Kebab. New Istanbul Kebab. So we will try their food. Yeah, that's one. So they also have the authentic Turkish eating. So we don't know the taste, but we buy this one and the chicken. We don't know. And so they have a lot. Ito ano to? Lavash bread. Ito? Parang ano siya, no? So, I don't know, guys. We just try the chicken and the pizza. So, we're waiting. So, let's try the chicken leg. Taste chicken. So spicy. Ang hante.
Bakit ayaw mo naman ang? Hindi naman.
It's spicy, guys. Masarap siya, but spicy. And the taste is
Lack of herbs.
parang puro herbs siya. Yeah.
Kailangan ng taste.
So you can taste guys the different kind of herbs. Maybe the Turkish herbs lang nilagay nila dito. And as you can see, iba talaga yung kulay niya. Para siyang orange.
Ito meron kasi.
Tapos,
Tapos may cheese powder.
basta guys, ano siya. But the smell is so good. Really good. Sa mga naghahanap din ng spicy, sa mga mahilig ng spicy and
Hindi mo pinili.
inanak. So, wala pa yung pizza. Hindi, kinain na namin ito. waiting for our drinks in the pizza. Hindi naman halatang gutom kami. Yeah. Yung drink na. So, let's try this. So you can see guys, that's the pizza. At ipasa mo rin ang picture sa akin mamaya para yan ako. Gagawin ko, i-edit ko sa... So that's the pizza guys, we will try it. So yum. Stir-braised pizza. Guys, we will try the pizza now. So hot. Mm. 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 The cheese is so perfect. And ang sarap niya guys. Since mainit pa siya, so ang cheesy niya talaga. So, we will eat first, mga kainday. So, that's it mga kainday. Pasensya na, hindi ko kasi siya nagawa ng end kasi kumain na talaga kami. Then after namin kumain, nung busog na kami, naisipan namin na may kailangan pa pala kaming bilhin. Late na. So, ayun. Hanggang doon na lang yung aking video. So, thank you so much for watching mga kainday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated for my upcoming videos. Salamat mga kainday! Bye!